Peace and blessings, fam. Join me today as I take you on a journey of fake it till you make it. Yes, fake edges, ladies. Yes, family, fake edges has become a new trend due to the fact that unfortunately so many people, women and men, are suffering from hair loss, especially on or around their edges. So today I want to share with you my top amazing fake edge tutorials. Yes, ladies, here's the thing. A lot of us struggle to get our hair to cooperate, especially if we have hair loss, thin hair, short hair, fine hair, or damaged hair on or around our edges. It's just a hot mess. It can be frustrating, depressing, upsetting, and stressful. But now we have fake edges as an option to all those worries. So keep watching to the end and discover your new way to add some fake edges to your style to help you feel confident and beautiful. Please support my channel by subscribing, giving me a thumbs up, and please tap that bell so you do not miss any of my videos as I upload new videos every single week.